Hey, everyone, so you've snagged a budget airline ticket. Congrats on saving those bucks. But we all know budget flights come with a price, and I'm not talking dollars. Today, I'll share my top tips on how to make that budget airline journey as comfortable as possible with you. Breaking the bank. Ready to turn that budget seat into a first-class experience? Let's dive in. 1. Choose your seat wisely. Tip number 1. Seat selection. While the cheapest seats may have you squished in the middle, paying a tiny bit extra for an aisle or exit row seat can make all the difference. More legroom and easy access to the restroom can go a long way, especially on longer flights. 2. Bring your own entertainment. Budget airlines don't usually have in-flight entertainment, so come prepared. Load up your phone or tablet with movies, music, or podcasts before you board. Trust me, you'll thank yourself when you're 2 hours in and don't have to rely on that safety card for entertainment. 3. Dress in layers. Airplane temperatures can be a gamble, and budget flights rarely offer blankets. Dress in layers so you're ready for whatever temperature the flight throws at you. And yes, that cozy hoodie is also great for catching a quick nap. 4. Bring snacks and water. Budget airlines aren't known for their gourmet cuisine, plus onboard snacks can be overpriced. Bring your own snacks, like granola bars or fruit, to stay fueled without paying premium prices. And remember, bring an empty water bottle to fill up after security. 5. Pack smart with a carry-on. With budget airlines, checked luggage fees can be a killer. Stick to a carry-on and make sure it's organized. Pack essentials like chargers, a neck pillow, and an eye mask for some added comfort. A well-organized carry-on can make your trip so much smoother. 6. Be early and plan for delays. Budget airlines often board quickly, and some don't assign seats, so be early. Also, budget flights tend to face delays, especially when connecting through hubs. So, keep a buffer time if you've got a connection and mentally prepare for the budget delay factor. 7. Stay positive and enjoy the savings. Finally, embrace the experience. Sure, it might not be luxury, but you're getting to your destination for a fraction of the cost. So sit back, relax, and enjoy those savings. There you have it. 7 easy ways to make your budget airline flight a lot more enjoyable. Got any of your own travel hacks? Drop them in the comments, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel content. Safe and comfy travels, everyone.